Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and click on Bluetooth section right away. Then you need to tap on this gray switcher at the top to activate Bluetooth, and when it's on, click on device name. Finally, type in wherever you want to. And to save your changes, select rename. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my TCL has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!